React 19 is much smarter. It knows when you really need to wake up and run around the garden, and when you can just chill and lick your paws. Fewer unnecessary zoom eyes, re-renders. The page feels faster and smoother. Instead of juggling promises and loading states like a clumsy kitten, you can now just do. And React magically waits for the fish data and gives it to you when it's ready. No more then chaos. It's like the fish jumps straight into your mouth. Before React 19, if you wanted fish data from the server, you had to wait with useState and useEffect. You had to chase loading states and handle errors like a clumsy kitten knocking over the water bowl. Want to submit a form like order more treats? Old way, write lots of code for loading, error, success. New way in React 19, just make an action, an async function, and attach it to the form. This is a huge one. Before, you had to add useMemo, useCallback, memo everywhere so you didn't re-render too much, like not chasing the same laser twice. React 19 has a compiler that automatically makes your code efficient. You can often delete those performance hooks. Less code equals more time for napping.